What it do, ho? So let's go ahead and dive right into this. I'm going to be starting off with Urban Decay Anti-aging Eyeshadow Primer, and I'm going to apply that on the lids and just kind of blend in with my fingers. Using Too Faced Just Peachy Mattes palette, I'm going to take peach butter, and using a concealer brush, I'm going to apply that all over the base of my eyelids. Using Peach Tea and a blending eyeshadow brush, I'm going to apply that right onto the crease of my eyelids. Make sure to blend as you apply the color onto the crease. Now I'm taking peach cobbler and a disposable eyeshadow applicator, and I'm going to fill my eyelids all the way up to my crease. Now I do have a ton of eyeshadow brushes. I just prefer to use these little applicators. They just pack on the color so much better and it's less fallout on my face. So trust, bitch. Just trust. I'm going in with peach meringue, and I'm just going to put that right under my brows on my brow bone. Now with a small shader brush, I'm going to take Just Ripe, and we're going to pack that back into the crease. It's going to look a little harsh, but remember, we're going to blend it out as we're going. Now I'm taking Rimmel London ScandalEyes Precision Micro Eyeliner, bitch, and I'm just gonna wing that out. Now you're gonna do the other side, try to make it look even. Once the eyeliner has dried, go ahead and remove the tape from both sides. And these are Kiss Lashes in 01. I'm just going to take my lash glue and apply it directly onto the strip. Now you want to try to apply the strip as close to your natural lash line as you can. This is Too Faced Primed in Peachy Cooling Matte Skin Perfecting Primer. I'm going to take that and apply it all over my face and my neck. Using LA Girl Pro Conceal High Definition Concealer, I'm going to take the orange corrector and apply that directly under my eyes on my dark circles, and I'm going to blend that out with my damp makeup sponge. With Nars Radiant Creamy Concealer in medium 1.5, I'm going to apply that directly over the orange concealer and over any blemishes that I have on my face. Now I'm going to take my damp makeup sponge and blend that out. Now we're using the Too Faced Peach Perfect Comfort Matte Foundation in the color Sand, and I'm just going to apply that all over my face and neck. Again, you're going to take your damp makeup sponge and blend that out. Lip job, ho. And this is the Fenty Beauty Matchstick in the color French Vanilla. I'm just going to draw on my face in the areas that I want to highlight, so I'm going to look a little crazy. Now I'm going to blend that out with my damp makeup sponge, of course. She's so far away. Now with a smaller makeup sponge, I'm just going to continue to blend the areas that are a little harder to get to. Now I'm taking NYX Born to Glow Liquid Illuminator, and I'm going to apply that with my fingers onto the top of my cheekbones and then blend that out with my wet makeup sponge. This is Hard Candy Bake Brighten Set Loose Finishing Powder in Sheer Envy. And I'm just going to bake the areas that I just highlighted with the matchstick. I'm going to let that bake for a minute, then go ahead and brush it all off of my face. Now with Maybelline New York Fit Me Matte and Poreless, this is the translucent powder. I'm going to apply that everywhere I highlighted my face to kind of set that in. Now with my really old Anastasia contour kit palette, I'm going to take Havana, and we're just going to contour any parts of our face that we want to kind of slim down. So your cheekbones, the sides of your forehead, definitely your double chin. Now with a small brush and the color Fawn, I'm going to use that to contour my nose. With the blending brush, I'm going to go back and blend my nose out. And using that same brush, I'm going to take sand from my contour kit, and I'm going to highlight my nose, above my eyebrows, and above my lip. Using a nude eyeliner from NYX, I'm going to apply this to my bottom waterline. Using an angled eyeliner brush, I'm going to take Just Ripe from that Just Peachy Mattes palette, and I'm going to line under my eyes, right under that waterline. Now with Maybelline New York, the Falsies Volume Express Hydrofuge, I'm going to apply that to my bottom lashes. Using Milani Easy Liner for lips in the color Most Natural, I'm going to go ahead and outline them bitches. For lips today, I'm using Black Radiance Liquid Lip Color. I don't know the name of this color. It's not labeled on the tube, so I will have to find that out and I'll put it in the description down below. Using sand from my Anastasia contour kit, I'm just going to highlight the corner of my eyes. And last, I'm going to use Too Faced Peach Mist Mattifying Setting Spray, and I'm just going to spray that all over my face. Thank you for watching. Give me a thumbs up. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram. The name is Monica Key Lime Pie.